What's going on, people? We're up here at Washington Cycle. Kind of giving a little shout out here. Getting our bike suspensions done. Got a couple of folks. Oh, I got the 64 gig card. I got like 9 hours worth of time to record and stuff. Some fun stuff. Newman getting his bike worked on.
I don't know, get his bike diagnosed.
Oh, you're getting diagnosed? Alright. Hopefully I'll get some. You know what? They should have some GoPro mounts in there. I'll probably go buy some for the helmet. Alright, I'll probably get some footage of more stuff going on here. I wish I could control the zoom and stuff. Alright.